What's going on, guys? Eli Infante here with another Puro Natural Light Vato photo shoot where I give you my insight and tips into my photo shoots. So for this photo shoot, I worked with Betsy and I already worked with her twice. I wanted to try something different, so I decided to reach out to a local business called Style Union. Now, the Style Union is a local business that offers really unique and cool clothing options for women. I messaged them through Instagram to ask if they'd be interested in doing a collaboration shoot, and they immediately said yes. As soon as they said yes, I decided to set up a meeting so that me and Betsy could go visit so we could try out some of the clothing and also get an idea of what clothing options that they had. When I got there, I saw this awesome yellow outfit and I immediately knew that that was going to be the outfit that we were going to be using for the majority of the shoot. So when I choose my locations for my photo shoots, the number one priority on my list is what is the available light going to look like during golden hour. When I found this location, it was around 1 p.m. and I wasn't exactly sure the direction of the sun during golden hour and at what time was golden hour going to start at this location. So one little helpful tip for portrait photographers is to use the Sunseeker app on the iPhone. This app is going to help you because it's going to tell you the direction of the sun at different hours, at different times of the day, and also show you what it's going to look like during golden hour and even into blue hour. So with that, I was able to determine that the sun was going to be positioned perfectly for my photo shoot because it was going to be backlighting my subject the entire time. If you've seen my work, you know I love shooting during golden hour, and whether it's natural light or strobe, I love to have the sun positioned behind the subject, and so this location was going to get an A+ because the sun was going to be in the perfect position throughout my photo shoot. So I decided to go with Fireman's Park because it was a small location and it had a lot of things to work with, things like a lake and the bridge. And most importantly, like I just said, the light was going to be perfect in this location. So the first area I chose was this tree, and there were 3 reasons why. The first being that it was going to offer some shade for Betsy. I didn't want to start off the photo shoot with Betsy standing in the hot summer sun, so this location was going to be great. She's in the shade. This is also going to allow me to break the ice, kind of catch up with Betsy. Even though I've already shot with her twice, you want to start off your photo shoot where you're asking her some questions, getting her to laugh, and kind of setting the tone for the photo shoot. The second reason was the tree was actually going to be a prop. I had some ideas, okay, well, Betsy could grab some of the branches, she can grab some of the leaves, and she can do something with her hands instead of worrying about just posing the entire time. The last reason was it also had flowers. So at some point I knew that these flowers, that she could grab them and kind of use them during this little set that I had for the first location. So the second spot I chose was pretty obvious. I was going to use the lake at some point during this photo shoot. The only issue was sometimes as photographers we have ideas and they don't work. So for example, I had Betsy standing at this location for my photos and I actually wasn't really liking them. They weren't coming out as great as I thought they were. So don't panic, don't give up on your ideas so quick. So my backup plan, whenever I'm shooting and something isn't working, is I try to figure out, is there a way where I can have the model sit at this location? So I had Betsy sit down in the grass and I ended up getting much better shots than the standing ones, and it was actually probably my favorite shots from the series. The last main spot that I used in this photo shoot was the bridge. Now I specifically waited for this spot because of the Sunseeker app. I was able to determine what time golden hour was going to start, and I wanted to wait for that spot so I can have the sun perfectly positioned where I wanted, and it was going to be golden hour. So I bought myself some time with the other 2 spots. I could use those little 2 spots, wait until golden hour, go to the bridge. And what was great about the bridge was that we were going to have leading lines to work with. We were going to have the rail, so we can have the model positioned on the rail. She can use her hands to kind of pose there. She could possibly sit. And the sun was going to be perfectly backlit, where there was going to be the water, obviously the sun. And so it's going to give me some cool possibilities. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed these pictures from this Puro Natural Light Vato photo shoot. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a new video series coming out soon, as well as the highly requested posing video, and you don't want to miss out. Peace.
Oh, what's going on, guys? I didn't see you there. What's up? This is Gon's Tutorials.
Okay. Well, on my list, more videos coming.